Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.
Girl, perfectly hurt, broken hurt, soft and asleep in the morning gray. Shake off the night and don't hide your face. The sun lights the world with a single flame. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. Today and all of your days, all where your pain. Heal what I can in your troubled mind. Sometimes our bodies will hurt, but sometimes the beauty in that can be hard to find. I want you to find it. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. So run, wake up and run, my little one. Wanna tear down these walls that can't hold you inside, rip out the cords and uncover your eyes. We'll make our escape in the dark of night. I need you to see this. Girl, you'll see the world, and you'll come to learn that falling in love is a strange work of art. All of your battles will shape who you are, and know that your scars are my favorite part. I want you to know this.
So I've been travelling along the Stafford and Worcestershire Canal. It's a new canal for me and it's lovely, and I've just moored up here. I've been through Stafford. I was going to meet an army friend there, but he's away in another country watching football, so kind of shot through Stafford really. And now I'm at a place called Penkridge, and it's a lovely little village. And I'm just moored up here, look, it's beautiful. Anyway, I'm just about to have something to eat because I'm getting quite hungry now. So I'm just making myself a piece of toast with a bit of coleslaw. That's all I'm having. My coleslaw's out of date today, so I need to eat it. Happy days. So I went with the all-time British favourite of cheese on toast with coleslaw and sourdough protein bread. Nice. So I'm just starting to cut the wood for the back of my sliding hatch. The thing is, it's getting really warm now. I'm starting to sweat, so I probably won't get this finished today, but at least I'll start it. So that's where it's going to go on there. Just need to sand it, varnish it, paint it. Nice. So we decided to paint it because it's easier. So I've got a little visitor, got Kelly on board.
Hello.
Come to experience the lockage.
Amazingly,
I know, yeah. Yeah, hundreds of years old, mate. And I got help from my little boat tow, which is brilliant.
First time I've ever done this.
Well, yeah, it is quite unique, isn't it? Really. Thank you very much.
Have a nice journey.
Yeah, I'm only going here to get me water.
Where's your water tank? At the front or the back?
Front. So that was Kenny, just popped up to see me, one of my old army buddies. Really good to see him again. And that's the first time he'd been on an narrowboat, and he loved it. He's thinking about it himself. Yeah, it's a great life, guys. It's a great life. Loving it. Anyway, I've topped up with water now. I'm just going to find a little mooring spot and probably make something to eat and then plan a little bit of a route. Happy days. So I've quickly just pulled over because I took Kenny for his little trip, but I'm not properly prepared for a cruise, you know, with my little snack box, and I haven't really looked at the map to see where I'm going. So I've just pulled over now, just use a toilet, going to make something to eat, make myself a drink, and then find out where I want to go to. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'm going to set off again. Yes. So just got myself a sandwich and a drink. I don't feel like going now, but I'm going to go a little bit further on, not far, and then more up for the night. Happy days. It's a proper humid day, folks, proper humid. I feel sticky. Anyway, I've just moored up, only did a couple of hours, but ended up in this lovely little spot near a little place called Gailey. It's only a little village, I think. I've not been in there, but very small place. But it's beautiful, look. It's lovely, isn't it? I've got a pylon above me though, so I don't know if that'll affect my Wi-Fi. We'll see in a bit. Anyway, I've just got to do my after cruising jobs. So I'm just putting a bit of wood on here now, just for something to do before I have my tea. And I've just been told that there's a Greggs. There's a Greggs just up there, and we all like a Greggs. It's cheap, isn't it? And it's lovely. I'm thinking steak, bacon, and mocha. Happy days. Yes. So there you go, just put that piece of wood on there, filled in the hole, got to sand it again, a bit more paint, hopefully it'll be nice. And the reason I did it in blue and not kept it wood was because when it comes back and it's against these doors, it sort of all matches. I don't know if you can see me on the camera at the minute, guys, but look at this, watch this. Ha! Good, isn't it? I just walk around my boat now and the lights come on everywhere. It's brilliant. So good.
Darren, honey.
What?
Come here and take my skirt off.
I'm busy.
Please come and take my skirt off.
Oh, for God's sake. Hey folks, so I've just come back from a little shop and I've bought myself a little basket and I'm going to put all this sort of stuff in there, all my little tools, just so it looks a bit nicer, that's all, a bit more boaty. I think that'd be nice there if it fits all my bits in. Also, I bought a few new plates, so I bought 3 of them. I don't know why I bought 3. I've only got 2 plates and I only use sort of 1. Sometimes I've used them both and I need it. So 3's enough. 3's enough for me. So I've got 3 little plates and 3 main plates. There you go. But these are melamine. I didn't go for the pottery. I went for melamine. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I just like the plates. So I've got 3 of those, 3 of those. Peanut flips for men. I love peanut flips. They're my favourites. From Aldi. And some pretzels. And the reason I like pretzels, they're probably better for you than crisps because they're baked. And also a bag of them will last me a few days. So I just nibble on them. So yeah, I like them. And that's all I got really, folks. That's my little shopping haul. But I've got to stop spending money because I need to get my batteries done. Oh, it's lovely out today. Look at that, guys. Just lovely. Nice and warm. Living the dream. Good morning all, good morning all. Bit overcast this morning. I noticed this morning I had a little puddle of rain on top, a puddle of water on my boat. So it must have rained a little bit last night. I didn't even know. Anyway, it's very overcast and it looks like it might rain, which I hope it does really because we need it. Anyway, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. A few boats parked up there. It's really nice. Loving it guys, loving it. Anyway, I'm gonna head off in a minute. I'm going that way. I'm in a place called Gailey at the minute, and I'm heading off that way, and I don't really know. I'm just gonna go for a few hours, see where I end up, but I'm not that far really from the start of the Shropshire, so I'll have to do a right turn at some point to go up the Shroppy. So before I set off, I've got to do my stern gland, get grease on my prop, get my tiller pin on, and then just get my fenders out of the water, put my centre line on, shut my duck hatch. Got to shut your duck hatch, guys, because when you're coming down the locks, when you come down in a lock and there's a leaky wall, the water will spurt in. You don't want that. Also, I just make sure that my cratch cover is all closed up, so if I do go in a lock and there's water going everywhere, it's not going to go in my boat. And that's pretty much it for setting off, guys. Thank you nature for my wonderful mooring. And it's just starting to drizzle, so a little bit of drizzle in the air this morning, folks, but it's quite nice. It's quite a nice cooling feeling. It's lovely still. I love it. The signs of autumn are here. Leaves are coming off the trees, and it's only August. But it's great, love it. I've been cruising for about 2 hours now, so I've just pulled over and just for something to eat really. I'm just having one of these pot noodles. One of these pot noodle things. That's all I'm having. Nice. Might as well get me washing done. And my water's nice and hot as well. Lovely. I'm also going to make a couple of cheesy bits with some chili chutney sauce for my travels. Nice. Good morning, folks. Good morning. What a beautiful autumnal morning it is, or it feels like that because it's a little bit nippy. But I'm on the Shropshire at the minute and it's beautiful. Look at that. What a way to wake up, folks. It's just lovely. Anyway, that's another happy ending, folks. It's another happy ending. I'm talking quiet because I just got up. But thank you, my coffee buyers. Alvin, thank you for the coffee, mate. And I hope your boat gets sorted quite quickly. You've got a lot of work to get done there, but once that's done, your boat's going to be sorted. Thank you, Big D, for my coffee. I know you don't want to buy me a coffee. You want me to buy some proper pasta sauce, which I'm going to do. And who else is there? Kieran Celeste. Kieran Celeste. It's foraging season, folks. And I'm getting my book back out, my foraging book. Yes. Going to get some blueberry, blackberries and all that sort of stuff again. Happy days. Mega pie. Also, Sue Wilkinson. I can't wait for me revamp neither. I can't wait to get it done. It's going to be brilliant, isn't it? I'm going to have so much room on my boat once it's done. Oh yeah, I can't wait. I'm going to have my bedroom. Here where my smalls are. It's going to be great. I can't wait to get that done. Yeah, so thank you for the coffee back, guys. Really appreciate it. And if you do want to buy me a coffee, then that's in the description below as always. And thank you for all your likes, hype, supports, all your messages. It's great at getting the messages, so please drop me a message. I like to read them. And I think that's it, isn't it, folks? Anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee now. Might have a little bit of brekkie. I'm on the Shropshire. Beautiful on here. And I'll show you that video in the next couple of days when I get that one done. So happy ending, folks. Please remember, it's getting colder, but not cold enough. So keep your duck hatch open. Bye, guys.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.